दोस्तों, आज हम लोग जामिया बीए पोल साइंस 2020 का पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। इस पेपर में टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन होंगे और 1 मार्क्स इच, 0.25% नेगेटिव मार्किंग होगा और यह पेपर सिर्फ 1 आवर एंड 30 मिनट्स का होगा। तो क्वेश्चन से भी कम है टाइमिंग, इस बात का आपको ख्याल रखना होगा एग्ज़ाम में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, लिटरेसी रेट इन इंडिया इज 74%। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु इज़ द करेंट मिनिस्टर फॉर सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट इन इंडिया? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर सी थावरचंद गहलोत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु एक्ट्स एज द चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर डी हो जाएगा, द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सीट्स आर एलोकेटेड टू द वेरियस स्टेट्स इन द लोकसभा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, देयर पॉपुलेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, सिटी ऑफ चेन्नई लाइज ऑन द शोर ऑफ विच सी? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बे ऑफ बंगाल। द स्टोरी ऑफ माई एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ ट्रूथ इज द ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ महात्मा गांधी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, RTI एक्ट इन इंडिया वॉज एडप्टेड इन विच ईयर? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 2005. The RBI of India's headquarter in which city? मुंबई। तो यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, RBI का हेडक्वार्टर दिल्ली में नहीं बल्कि मुंबई में है। हु इज़ द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, शिवराज सिंह चौहान। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, हु बिलीव दैट ओनली कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कुड फैसिलिटेट द ग्रोथ ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, फ्रेडरिच नीत्शे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, सलमा डैश 3 लैंग्वेजेज, हिंदी, उर्दू एंड इंग्लिश? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, स्पीक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, इफ यू विल हीट वाटर यू डैश स्टीम? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, विल गेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, द एक्सीडेंट अकॉर्ड व्हेन द पैसेंजर्स वर स्लीपिंग? ऑप्शन नंबर सी। Of question number 14, man does not live dash breed alone? Option number D, by. Question number 15, Rahul has been reading a book since morning. B. Question number 16, please don't tell dash about dash. Please don't tell her about me. Option number D. He rewarded himself with chocolates. Option number C. Choose the one which expresses the meaning of the given word. Means ये synonyms हैं, तो accord ऑप्शन नंबर D, agreement. Adamant ऑप्शन नंबर B, stubborn. calamity ऑप्शन नंबर B, misfortune. Question number 21, option number C, jaded means tired. Question number 22, negligent, option number A, careless. Question number 23, fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs. He lost dash his security. इसका ऑप्शन नंबर बी हो जाएगा, even. The books in my library are dash novels. Option number A, mostly. The car goes dash than a bicycle, faster. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th of January every year. Option number B. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of which great personality? Option number A, Nelson Mandela. Question number 28, which among these is used to making the lead of pencil? Option number B, graphite. Who presides over the joint sessions of parliament? Option number D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who is the CEO of Google Corporation? Option number A, Sundar Pichai. One people one state, one leader was the policy of Hitler. Niti Aayog replaced which commission of India? Option number A, Planning Commission. Question number 33. The Ujala scheme is related to the LED distribution. Option number B. Ujala is related to LED and Ujwala is related to LPG gas. Who is the Vice President of India? Venkaiah Naidu. Option number C. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Option number A. Question number 36. Who acts as the chairman of Niti Aayog? The Prime Minister of India. Option number A. An astronaut in outer space will observe a sky as blue. Option number B. Question number 38. Who is the current railway minister of India? इसमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन फिलहाल वाला नहीं है, नया चेंज हुआ है, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी, आंसर विल बी अश्विनी वैष्णव. A persistent fall in the general price level of goods and services is known as deflation. Option number A. Question number 40. Which movie won the best award picture in Oscar 2020? Option number D, Parasite. Who was called as the grand old man of Indian National Congress? Option number C, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 40. Which form of government we have in India? Parliamentary form of government. When was the Election Commission of India set up? 25th of January 1950. Chipko movement, the world famous environmental movement, started in which state of India? Uttarakhand. Who has given the concept of will ignorance? Question number 45. Option number C, John Rawls. The Article 17 and 18 Constitution of India provides. Option number C, social equality. 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment is pertaining to local self-government. Option number A. Which was the first state to incorporate the Panchayati Raj in India? Rajasthan. From which constitution was the concept of a 5-year plan borrowed into our constitution? USSR. Option number B. Question number 50. Who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Question number 50 का option number A, Warren Hastings. What is the full form of ASEAN? Option number A, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Question number 52. Area wise, which is the largest state of India? Option number C, Rajasthan. By population, answer will be Uttar Pradesh. Which is known as the land of rising sun? Option number C, Japan. National War Memorial is situated in which city? New Delhi, near India Gate. Who has been named Person of the Year 2019 by the Times Magazine? The great environmentalist Greta Thunberg. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? 250. Sania Mirza is associated with which sports? Tennis. Option number A. In which year Dandi March took place? 1931. Who is the current Speaker of 17th Lok Sabha? Shri Om Birla. Option number A. Who was the first Education Minister of India? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Option number A. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Option number B. The government had decided to observe the Constitution Day on 26th of November every year. Who appoints the Finance Commission in India? Option number A, President. Who is the first non-Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also known as Simant Gandhi. The headquarters of WTO is located in Geneva. Which country will host the 2022 Football World Cup? Qatar. Which is the Asia's largest freshwater lake? Uller Lake. Playing It My Way is the autobiography of which player? Sachin Tendulkar. Option number A. In India, the National Voters Day is observed on. Option number D. 25th of January. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is under which ministry? Since it is related to LPG, so it comes under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Option number B. The President of India disqualifies the MPs in consultation with the Election Commission of India. Option number A. The Punchi Commission was appointed by the government to report on. Option number D. Center-state relation. Who was the winner of ICC Trophy for the Best Cricketer of the Year 2019? Option number A. Ben Stokes. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Option number B. 12. The headquarters of WHO is situated in. Option number A. Geneva, Switzerland. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Question number 76. We did not. Option number A. Learn our lesson. Question number 77. She won the prize last year. Option number D. Question number 78. Long, long ago, there lived a saint. Option number B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. Question number 79. I am very fond of apples. Option number A. Question number 80. She fell from the tree. Option number C. According to new technology, arise means air, Terus means light, and Libra means water. What an organism breathe in? Option number A. Arise. Choose the word which is not similar to other words in the group. Apple, carrot, onion, brinjal. Since all are the vegetable except apple, so option A will be the correct option. Question number 83. Complete the given series by finding the missing term. इसका correct option हो जाएगा A. Question number 84. इसका ऑप्शन नंबर सी हो जाएगा करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. इसका ऑप्शन नंबर बी हो जाएगा करेक्ट. सीरीज बन रहा है KLMNO. फिर सेकेंड लेटर देखेंगे BCDEF. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी विल बी करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. Here also is a series FGHIJ. So A is in the common in all words. GFIH. There is a one letter missing and then next word is used. So option number A will be correct because the options are JAK is the correct. Question number 87. Option number A is the correct option. Only 4 words can be made through these 3 digits. Question number A. Question number 89. Option number C. There is a series of 2 numbers. Which word does not belong to with the others? Index, chapters, glossary. These all are also part of book, but book itself is a option, so correct option will be book. Question number 91. Option number B. 10 kilometer. Question number 92. Option number B. False. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93, pointing to a photograph, a man said, I have no brother and the man's father is my father's son. Whose photograph was it? Option number A, his son. In a certain language, Noida is coded as OPJEB. It means one letter is added in each word, like Noida, N से O हो गया, O से P हो गया, I से J हो गया. सो दिल्ली में भी वही सेम रूल अप्लाई होगा. D से E हो जाएगा, E से F हो जाएगा, L से M हो जाएगा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 95, Riya goes 30 kilometer towards north from a fixed point, and then after turning to her right she goes 15 kilometer. After this she goes 30 kilometer after turning to her right. How far and in what direction is she from her starting point? क्वेश्चन नंबर 95 का ऑप्शन नंबर सी हो जाएगा. 15 किलोमीटर ईस्ट, ये टाइपिंग एरर है, 15 किलोमीटर ईस्ट हो जाएगा. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. पीटर इज in the east of Tom and Tom is in the north of John. Mike is in the south of John. Then in which direction of Peter is Mike? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, साउथ वेस्ट. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि इसका ऑप्शन बी कैसे हो गया या फिर इसमें कोई डाउट है, तो डिस्कशन के लिए एक ग्रुप है, इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. आप लोग लिंक जरूर ज्वाइन करें और डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे आप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 97, What is Imran's rank in the class? There are 30 students in the class. There are 10 students who scored less than Imran. इसका ऑप्शन नंबर डी हो जाएगा. Both statement 1 and 2 are needed for knowing his rank. Question number 98, which number should come next in the series? 48 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. Then final answer will be 6. Question number 99, petal is related to flower. In same sense, engine is related to car because petal is also a part of flower and engine is also a part of car. Option number C is correct. Question number 100, A is B's sister, C is B's mother, D is C's father, E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर डी हो जाएगा करेक्ट, ग्रैंड डॉटर. तो अगर आपको इसमें से किसी पे भी डाउट लगे तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं, या फिर अगर डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं तो इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. प्लीज़ ज्वाइन.